Let me tell you about something groundbreaking that's happening beneath the ocean's surface. It's a new underwater drone unlike any we've ever seen before, and it looks eerily similar to a manta ray. But don't let that smooth, harmless exterior fool you. This drone is called the Manta, and it's a technological marvel poised to change the face of underwater warfare forever. Now, just when the world thought it couldn't be more amazed, China has unveiled something that's truly mind-blowing, a $13 billion submarine that's so advanced it seems to defy the very laws of physics. This Manta-shaped submarine has captured the imagination of experts worldwide, and its debut has left the world gasping for air. But here's the twist, it vanished from a top-secret Navy base, leaving no trace behind. It glides through the water with an eerie, almost ghost-like quality, hiding from enemy sensors and evading detection. Experts are scratching their heads in disbelief, as they wonder, where will this silent beast strike next? This isn't your average submarine. The Manta represents the pinnacle of underwater stealth and technology. It's built from special materials designed to withstand the crushing pressures of the deep ocean while being incredibly lightweight. This allows the submarine to glide silently through the water at remarkable speeds, without creating the noise or resistance that traditional subs are known for. It's built for speed, agility, and, most importantly, stealth. Inside, this high-tech beast is equipped with advanced sensors and systems, including radar and sonar that can detect objects from miles away. These systems don't just help the submarine detect threats, they help it stay hidden from any potential enemies. Imagine a sub that is aware of everything around it, yet remains virtually undetectable. That's the Manta in a nutshell. It's an artificial intelligence-powered marvel that can handle complex underwater functions almost on its own, constantly adapting to the ever-changing ocean environment. What makes the Manta so unique is how it moves through the water. Unlike conventional submarines, which rely on large propellers and noisy engines to push through the water, the Manta works like a living creature. It uses a highly efficient design that reduces resistance and glides smoothly, almost effortlessly. And its shape, mimicking that of a manta ray, not only helps it blend in with the ocean's natural creatures, but it also plays a crucial role in making it nearly invisible to sonar and radar. Traditional submarines might use brute force, but this one uses finesse. Its quiet, stealthy movement makes it almost impossible to detect. However, this innovative design is not without its challenges. The manta ray shape is highly efficient, but it presents engineering problems. The sub must maintain stability, especially at great depths, while also being agile enough to respond quickly in combat situations. Quick maneuvers could be harder with this design, and that's a big question mark in real-world combat scenarios. Plus, maintaining this technological marvel will come at a hefty price, both in terms of cost and upkeep. Traditional submarines, while less advanced, are much cheaper and easier to maintain. Despite these challenges, the Manta marks a huge leap forward. It's not just a military asset, it's a sign of what's possible when groundbreaking technology and creativity meet. Even though it comes with hurdles, it demonstrates the potential for enormous breakthroughs in underwater exploration, defense, and even civilian industries. Imagine how the technology used in this submarine could be adapted for deep-sea research, commercial underwater projects, or even the clean energy sector. This submarine is more than just an experiment, it's a symbol of the future. Let's talk a little more about the ripple effect. The Manta is about to change everything. Its design isn't just revolutionary for submarines, it could redefine underwater exploration. Other nations are already watching closely, likely sketching out their own versions of the Manta. But it's not just military strategists who are buzzing with excitement. This propulsion technology, combined with stealth features, could be used for civilian purposes too. Think of how the Manta's technology could be used for underwater vehicles for research, commercial exploration, and even clean energy. The Manta is a game changer, not just in defense, but in every sector. Of course, the price tag, $13 billion, has raised eyebrows. But when you consider what it represents, it's not just about the submarine itself. It's about investing in future technologies that will redefine industries across the board. And let's not forget how stealthy and fast this sub is. This could be the start of a whole new age in naval warfare. Traditional subs, which rely on noise and brute force, might soon be obsolete if enemies can't even find them in the first place. This submarine is poised to change the global naval balance of power. Nations will need to rethink how they approach underwater warfare. This could lead to new kinds of detection systems, new weapons, and entirely new tactics. As other nations try to catch up, the Manta is setting the bar impossibly high, and we may be on the brink of a whole new wave of underwater warfare. But the impact of this submarine isn't confined to military applications. It could trigger breakthroughs in commercial technology, from quieter cargo ships to faster passenger vessels. And then there's the real-world, practical potential. Imagine the scientific advancements we could make with a sub capable of exploring the deepest, darkest parts of the ocean. The Manta could help us uncover new species, study underwater geology, and even understand oceanic processes that could help combat climate change. It's not just about war, it's about unlocking the mysteries of our planet. This Manta Ray submarine is much more than a cutting-edge piece of military hardware. It's proof of human ingenuity, creativity, and ambition. It's a glimpse into a future where technology is pushed to its limits, and beyond. The Manta might be just the beginning. As more nations race to develop their own versions, we could witness the rise of an entirely new generation of underwater technologies, capable of reshaping how we think about naval warfare, exploration, and even the way we live. As if that wasn't enough, the story doesn't end there. China's $13 billion investment in this submarine has taken 15 years to develop, and it's only the tip of the iceberg. This is more than just a flex of military power, it's about positioning China as a global leader in advanced technology. While the world was reeling from economic turmoil, China doubled down on high-tech industries, and the Manta is just one example of the fruits of that labor. By focusing on artificial intelligence, robotics, and material science, China has created something that many experts believe might even bend the laws of physics. This is no ordinary submarine. The Manta Ray could be powered by magnetohydrodynamics, a cutting-edge propulsion system that uses electric currents and magnetic fields to glide through the water with no sound, no resistance, just pure, stealthy motion. Couple that with a revolutionary design based on the Manta Ray, and we're looking at a sub that's nearly impossible to detect, capable of sneaking under the radar of enemy forces. This submarine isn't just about exploring the ocean depths or engaging in covert military missions. It could pave the way for new industries, imagine cleaner, faster ships, revolutionary new energy sources, or advanced robotics used for underwater construction and disaster relief. But as with any breakthrough, there's a darker side. Critics are already concerned about how this kind of technology might be used in the future. With the Manta Ray submarine, China could gain a strategic advantage that could shift the balance of power in international waters. The implications for global relations are huge. This could either lead to greater peace through deterrence or spark a dangerous arms race. One thing is clear, the Manta Ray isn't just a submarine. It's a signal, a statement of technological power, ambition, and vision for the future. This submarine might be the catalyst for an entirely new era of innovation, from military defense to energy systems, and beyond. As other countries scramble to catch up, we can expect to see some extraordinary advancements in the world of underwater tech and beyond. The Manta isn't just a military asset, it's a blueprint for tomorrow's world. In the same way that we now rely on electric vehicles and artificial intelligence, the innovations behind the Manta ray submarine could eventually filter down into civilian industries, changing the way we explore our planet, and the universe beyond. So buckle up. The future is coming, and it's going to be a wild, high-speed ride. Keep an eye on the